It all started in Europe. When we were on our honeymoon, we had our first soft baked cookie. We immediately fell in love. When we got back to India, we were still craving for more. But sadly, there was nothing like what we had there. So we decided to make our own soft baked cookies.
But we wanted to make the original cookies, just like the ones we had in Europe.
So we talked to chefs and food experts from India and around the world to come up with the perfect recipe. After that, it took us 353 trials, 70 days, and having cookies for breakfast, lunch, and dinner before we made that perfect cookie. It's one thing to make a batch of great cookies, but it's a whole another thing to make batches and batches of great cookies consistently. But thanks to RazorpayX Corporate Cards, we were able to scale up our production easily. Their high credit limit without any fuss meant that we could get the business set up and going almost immediately. Low fees, zero hidden charges, and easy integration were really a bonus. To sum it up, Razorpay made sure that our cookie business never ran out of dough.